Here's a detailed day trip plan for the Biltmore Estate in Asheville. Morning, 8 a.m. departure from Charlotte. Start your day early to make the most of your time. The drive from Charlotte to Asheville takes approximately 2 to 5 hours. 10:30 a.m. arrival at Biltmore Estate. Arrive at the Biltmore Estate and head straight to the visitor center to purchase your tickets. Consider getting the audio guide to enhance your experience during the mansion tour. 11 a.m. Explore the Biltmore Mansion. Begin your visit with a tour of the Biltmore Mansion. Marvel at the stunning architecture and intricate details, and learn about the history of this magnificent home. Take your time exploring each room, including the grand banquet hall, library, and beautiful bedrooms. Afternoon, 1 p.m. lunch at Stable Café. Head to the Stable Café for a delightful lunch. Located in the historic Biltmore Stable, this restaurant offers a unique dining experience with farm-to-table cuisine. 2:30 p.m. Biltmore Gardens. After lunch, stroll through the Biltmore Gardens. Explore the Italian Garden, Rose Garden, and the breathtaking conservatory. Take in the vibrant colors and fragrant blooms, and enjoy the serenity of the surroundings. Late afternoon, 4 p.m. Antler Hill Village. Visit Antler Hill Village, a charming area on the estate. Explore the shops, and if time allows, visit the farmyard to see animals and learn about farm life during the Vanderbilt era. 5:30 p.m. Wine tasting at Biltmore Winery. Conclude your day with a visit to the Biltmore Winery. Enjoy a complimentary wine tasting and explore the winemaking process. Consider purchasing a bottle of your favorite Biltmore wine to take home. Evening, 7 p.m. dinner at Cedric's Tavern. Head to Cedric's Tavern for a delightful dinner. Named after the Vanderbilt's beloved St. Bernard, this tavern offers a warm and inviting atmosphere with British and American pub fare. 9 p.m. a departure to Charlotte. After a full day of exploration, start your journey back to Charlotte. Enjoy the scenic drive or consider an overnight stay in Asheville if you prefer a more relaxed pace. This itinerary allows you to experience the grandeur of the Biltmore Mansion, the beauty of the gardens, and the charm of Antler Hill Village, providing a well-rounded and memorable day trip. Kindly share your desired destinations and the specific information you're seeking. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you're aiming to develop your solopreneurship. Visit Souppats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.